Morning, dear students. In our previous class, we had covered up some of the forest, isn't it? Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, and temperate evergreen forest. Today, let's do a quick recap of our previous portion so that you will be more clear. So the type and thickness of natural vegetation, it is different, okay, from place to place, because the factors of height, climate, temperature and moisture, slope and thickness of the soils. Now tropical evergreen forest. Let's divide it. What does the word tropical means? Tropical means the region around equator or in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And what do you mean by evergreen? Green throughout the year. Okay. So they doesn't shade their leaves together. As a result, it remains green throughout the year. Forest means the area covered with trees. It has good temperature, and as it is tropical evergreen forest, it has plenty of rainfall. Okay, so abundance of rainfall, plenty of rainfall you will find in the tropical evergreen forest. So the reason why they are evergreen, because they doesn't shade their leaves altogether, as there were abundance or plenty of rainfall in the area. Now tropical means region which falls around the equator between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Now tropical deciduous forest. Okay, tropical deciduous, again the word tropical means around the equator which falls between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. But this kind of forest are monsoonal forest. Okay, they are found in large part of India. You can say Northern America, Southern America, Africa, Europe, Australia. Okay, and the woods which were found in this forest are sal, teak, neem, shisham, okay, and some kind of hardwood trees, okay, like sal, teak, shisham, which are used for making furniture. You can see the second picture here shows a beautiful furniture made up of hardwood tree, and also other constructional material, like the first picture is of constructional material. Okay, students, so this forest, okay, has trees which used to shade their leaves in dry season. So it means that they experience seasonal changes. Okay, the tropical deciduous forest. And you can also try to remember this point like this, that trees shade their leaves in dry season so that they could conserve water. Okay, and the animals which we will find in tropical deciduous forest are tiger, lion, elephant. Okay, these are some of the common animals. So I hope you were clear with this. Now temperate evergreen forest. So mid latitudinal coastal region. Okay, they are known as temperate, and commonly these are found in southeast USA, South China or southeast Brazil. Okay, and both hard as well as soft woods like oak, pine, eucalyptus are found in temperate evergreen forest. Now I have prepared a mind map, okay, through which it will be easier for you all to understand. Now temperate evergreen forest. The word temperate means region in between Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Evergreen, you all know only green throughout the year. Forest means the area which are covered with different types of trees, okay, have a good temperature, and temperature also varies, okay, from place to place, because when the forest will be different, the temperature will also be different. But here we are talking about the temperate evergreen forest. Here basically the temperature is very good and you will find plenty of rainfall also. That is the reason why it is evergreen, isn't it? Now in my previous slide I have used a word, mid latitudinal coastal region. Now what do you mean by mid latitudinal coastal region? As I have explained that the region, okay, temperate means the region between Tropic of Cancer, okay, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, okay. Now there is a particular measurement of the latitude, okay, under which this particular forest, temperate evergreen forest, comes. Now the latitude is basically 23.5 degree north, and in the frigid zone, or you can see in Arctic circle, it is 66.5 degree north, and in Tropic of Capricorn, okay, it is 23.5 degrees south, and in the frigid zone or in the Antarctic circle you can say it is 66.5 degree south. Now you can see this particular picture. Through this picture I have tried to make the things easier. So you see the frigid zone in the North Pole, okay, there the latitude is 66.5 degree north, and in the Tropic of Cancer the latitude is 23.5 degree north, and in the middle you can find the temperate zone. Again in the South Pole area you see Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, and in the frigid zone or you can say Antarctic circle area, that the latitude is 66.5 degree south, and in between what you can see the temperate zone. Now our today's topic, temperate deciduous forest. Temperate you all know only, isn't it? The area which falls under Tropic of what, students? Tropic of Cancer, isn't it? This thing, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, okay, and in the South Pole you can say Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle, okay. So in between these things temperate zone comes. Now we have known about temperate evergreen forest. Another forests are found in these areas, and it is temperate deciduous forest, okay. So when we go towards higher latitude, there are some temperate deciduous forests. So when you will go to higher latitude, okay, higher latitude means the mountainous areas, there you will find temperate deciduous forest. They are found in the northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile. They are also found in coastal region of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in the dry season. Okay, like the tropical deciduous forest. Remember, it shed their leaves in dry season to conserve water. Here also the same things happen. Okay, in temperate deciduous forest, the leaves they used to, you can say the trees. Okay, they used to shed their leaves in the dry season. The common trees are oak, ash, beech, etc. Deer, fox, wolves are the animals. Okay, these are the animals who used to live in this type of forest, that is temperate deciduous forest. And common birds are monals and peasants. So in your book, the picture of monals and peasants is given. You can just go through it. Okay, students? So you can see some picture of temperate deciduous forest. Now temperate, again a mind map for you all. Temperate means region in between Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. But here the word deciduous is used. Deciduous means leaves which fall off the tree at particular season, and we had known that this is basically in dry season. Okay, the trees of this forest, they shade their leaves to conserve what? Water. Then forest area which are covered with trees, okay, having good temperature. But here the rainfall, okay, here there is a seasonal change, so the rainfall is also, you can say, not not plenty. That is the reason why they used to shade their leaves in dry season, and they used to experience in dry season. Now temperate zone, again this is the thing. Okay, uh, in between Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle. Okay, so frigid zone of North Pole is the Arctic Circle, and frigid zone of South Pole is the Antarctic Circle. I hope you know about this. Now, which falls under some kind of measurement of latitude, that is 66.5 degree north, 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south, 66.5 degree south. Now, after this, Mediterranean vegetation. This is very easy. Most of the east and northeast margins of the continents are covered with temperate evergreen and deciduous forests. You all know only. Now, here comes the Mediterranean vegetation. The west and southwest margin of the continents are different. Okay, the west part and the southwest part of the margin of the continents are different, and the difference is that they have Mediterranean vegetation. It is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea, okay, in Europe, Africa and Asia. So Mediterranean Sea divides three continents, okay, Europe, Africa and Asia. Actually, it's is dividing Europe and Africa. Okay, in the middle Mediterranean Sea comes, but in the eastern part you will find the continent Asia. Okay, so this vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in California in the USA, Southwest Africa. So actually it is found in California in USA, Southwest Africa. These regions are marked for hot dry summers and rainy mild winters. So winters are very much mild in this region, and they have hot dry summer. Okay, California in USA and Southwest Africa. Remember this. And in this particular areas only we will find Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, Mediterranean vegetation because it falls you can say around the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, Europe, Africa and Asia region. Okay, and Mediterranean Sea basically divides Europe and Africa. Okay, but in the eastern part the continent Asia also falls. That is why I have used here Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa and Asia. Now citrus fruits, okay, fruits like orange, olives, grapes, okay, are found here or are cultivated here, you can say like that. Okay, you can see how they had cultivated. Okay, the process of cultivation I have shown two pictures, isn't it? There is not much wildlife here. Why? Because hot dry summer and rainy mild winters. So obviously there are not so much of wildlife, because all the animals can't survive in hot dry summer and rainy mild winters in this particular you can say reasons, okay, which have dry summer and rainy mild winter. Most of the animals can't survive in this kind of reasons. Okay, students. Now Mediterranean vegetation, again a mind map. Mediterranean means it is the region near Mediterranean Sea. It is also completely enclosed by land of European and African continent. That is why California in USA, which falls in Europe, and Southwest Africa, there you will find Mediterranean vegetation. Okay, more good quality of Mediterranean vegetation. Then vegetation, you know, only plants considered collectively. Okay, and what kind of fruits they used to cultivate? Grapes, oranges. They also used to cultivate olive. Okay, in this kind of areas. Now you can see the Mediterranean Sea. Where is the Mediterranean Sea? Okay, in the world map. Now one more thing, Mediterranean Sea, just go through the map properly. You will see that at top the continent Europe falls, and at the bottom the continent Africa is there, and in the eastern side you will find the continent Asia. And these are names of some of the countries found in these regions. After that, our last type of forest, coniferous forest. Remember, students, the story of Salima? Okay, she was enjoying her summer camp, okay, in Manali, and which falls in Himachal Pradesh. There, when she goes in higher latitude, okay, she had seen coniferous forest, isn't it? So in the higher latitude, basically latitude 50 degree and 70 degree, okay, northern hemisphere, this coniferous forests are found. They are also called as taiga. They are found in higher latitude. They are also found in Himalayas in abundance. They are tall, softwood, evergreen trees. These woods are used in making paper and newsprint, matchbox and packing box. Okay, cheer, pine, cedar are an important variety of trees in this kind of forest, that is coniferous forest. Silver fox, mink, polar bear are some kind of common animals which were found here. You can see, students, the picture of coniferous forest, okay, how I have shown here, okay. They had, you can say, warmer season as well as warmer summer, you can say like that, and colder, snowy winter. Now coniferous forest, again you have to remember, okay, higher latitude area 50 degree and 70 degree northern hemisphere, okay. In that particular region you will find coniferous forest. They are also known as what? Taiga. They are found in higher latitude, as I have mentioned just now, and in the Himalayas you will find more and more coniferous forest. Okay, most of this coniferous forest falls under the Himalayan region. They have tall, softwood, evergreen trees, and these woods are used in making paper, newsprint. Okay, the tall, softwood and evergreen trees. Okay, and matchbox, packing box. Okay, then paper are used. Okay, if these are made from this kind of trees, tall, softwood, evergreen trees. Cheer, pine, cedar are the name of the trees, and animals, polar bear. Okay, silver fox, mink. You can see the areas where you will find, okay, the most of coniferous forests. Canada, Iceland, Russia. Okay, in the map you see where is Canada, where is Iceland, where is Russia. Okay, these are the areas where you will find most of the coniferous forest. Now the trees were used to make pulp. With that, papers, matchbox are made, and polar bear is the animal, okay, which are found here. Now, with this, we came to an end of today's session, and also types of forest are covered up. It's finished. Our next topic is about tropical grassland. Okay, we will start that tomorrow. Okay, in our live class. Now coniferous forest, you can see coniferous, the word coniferous means region between 50 degree and 70 degree north latitude. Okay, between frigid and temperate zone you will basically find this kind of forest. Okay, so this is the mind map. And forest, the meaning of forest, you know, only trees are there, temperature are there. Okay, with different kinds of forest, the you can say the intensity of rainfall also is different. And coniferous forest trees, okay, it is used to make some kind of things, okay, like paper, matchbox. First pulps were made, after that paper, it is used to make paper, paper and newsprint, okay, matchbox and packing box. So that's all. You can also see picture of coniferous trees. So thank you, students. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have any kind of queries, feel free to contact me, okay? Bye-bye. Take care. See you tomorrow in the live class. And all the best for your exam. Tomorrow is your social exam, isn't it? The syllabus you all know only. I have already shared in your class group. Okay? 2 chapters from history and 1 chapter for geography. No civics. Okay, no civics. So Delhi Sultan, Mughal Empire and chapter 3 of geography. Okay, so bye bye students.